Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2026 Ram 1500 Tungsten. This one features the 3.0 liter Hurricane high output, 540 horsepower, and I believe around 520 pound-feet of torque. Sticker price on this one, $93,000. Forged blue over black, 8-speed ZF automatic. But I'll be honest with you. Oh, look at this. 93,000. Look at where the speakers are in this thing. That is wild. So, $93,000 on paper sounds like a lot. It ain't. You also have RAM boxes here for stuff that you can store. All right there. When you think about the fact that a Denali Ultimate is $100,000 now, $93,000 is an absolute bargain for this truck. You have a 23 speaker Klipsch Reference Premier sound system, which there's only 3 companies in the automotive world that I know of at this second that use Klipsch. Infiniti, we now have started using Klipsch since 2025. Ram and McLaren. So yeah, this sound system is amazing. Carbon fiber trim everywhere. You can obviously move this around as you need. Wireless charging. This is just one of, if not the nicest truck I have ever driven. So obviously I just did a video about a month ago on the Laramie with the 5.7. This, and I've done the RHO with the Hurricane. This one comes with the Hurricane. It has almost 200 more horsepower. That's 150. I'll say 150 because that's really kind of what it is. More than the Hemi. And what that does is make this thing ridiculously quick for a truck. On paper, there is no reason to buy the Hemi. The Hurricane is better in every single way, except for sound. But this still sounds good. I've heard now the new Chargers with exhausts, and they sound great. This is better in every way. I hate to say it, listen, I owned a Hellcat. I'm all about those kind of engines. This is just better. The power delivery is better. How smooth it is while driving, it's better. In terms of ride comfort, this is like the Rolls-Royce of pickup trucks. I have never felt so comfortable in a truck. This is full air suspension. It is unbelievably good. This truck could be $120,000 and I would still say it's a good price. 93 is a lot of money. I understand that. But it really isn't when you look at the competitive set and you look at all the competitors and everything like that. This is a value. Even if I didn't need a truck, I would buy one of these as a daily driver. This is so... You are gliding over everything. If I closed my eyes, I would not be able to tell I'm in a truck. The only reason I tell is, 1, I can look in the mirrors and see a truck bed, and 2, of how high I'm sitting. This is sensationally impressive. I've always said Ram is the most luxurious and the best driving out of the big three pickups. I'm talking about, well, technically big four, because you have Chevy and then you have GMC. I would take this over Denali every day of the week. I'm not 100% sure if they make the Longhorn or not still. I didn't know I was going to be filming this today, so this is a little bit on the fly. But maybe a King Ranch F-150. I don't know. If they made a Longhorn, anything like this, that's my dream truck. This is so good. I mean, it's no Raptor R. That's why they're making the TRX. If you want a performance truck, they're making the Rumblebee. This, if you want the most luxurious truck experience on the market, this is where it's at. I can't believe they use carbon fiber. Full passenger display, the leather, everywhere you touch, every material you touch is top notch. Even the materials you don't touch are still decent materials. I'm not gonna lie to you, this is, man, as a one and only vehicle, you really can't get much better than this. Man, if I had more money, I wouldn't have bought my G70. Alright, by the way, I'm not sure if the video will be out before this. I bought a G70. Leased it for a tester. So it's gonna be my 2-year tester for the channel. I'm gonna send it, I'm sorry. This is just, there's just something about this truck that I went into it knowing the Tungsten was good. Oh, the massaging seats, that's what I wanted to talk about. Man, this is better. Like, you remember if you guys grew up going to the mall or whatever, or even some of you adults that went to malls, y'all remember Brookstone? Man, when I was a kid, I would only go to Brookstone to try out the massage seat, the massage chairs. This is better than those. For $93,000, and that's before any discounts that you might get. Under $100,000, this might be this is the best bargain in the truck world right now. And you can't convince me otherwise. Except, okay, I'm talking about normal trucks. Don't sit there and say, oh, the TRX, the Rumblebee the 5.7 Rumblebee starting at under $60,000. If that is true, that's a great bargain. But guess what company's doing that? Ram. People love to complain about long-term reliability. Lease it. Lease it for 3 years, man. The lease programs on Rams are phenomenal. I almost leased one instead of the G70. Only reason I didn't was gas prices and the fact that they have massive fuel tanks. But I'll be honest with you, if you're looking at a $93,000 vehicle, you can afford the gas. I couldn't because I have my Porsche. If I didn't have, I'm not gonna lie to you, if the TRX is similar to this in terms of luxury, wow, I'm having a stroke, luxury and everything, I would contemplate selling both cars for one. That's how good this truck is. I would love to live with this truck. As a one and only vehicle, you really, under $100,000, you really can't get better than this. It's just that good. I'm 100% missed my, oh, that was my road. Okay, well, at least I know how I can get back to it. Because I don't got much gas in this thing. What a phenomenal truck. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.